Hello everyone and welcome back to day 23 of A Little Bit of Creation every day for 365 days straight. Today we're going to get back to creating the end grain cutting board for my best friend's birthday. And we're going to actually try to get our jigs all made. Alrighty, now that we have all of our pieces cut down to size, we put our blade at a 45-degree angle here. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty, here's all of our planing jigs. We'll slap them onto the base, then put them to the planer. Then we just have to put one of these scrap pieces of wood on top. And dang, I'm just saying, that looks pretty close. Well, anyways, thanks so much for watching, y'all, and I'll catch y'all on day 24 of A Little Bit of Creation every day for 365 days straight.